Hi, this is Tristan Jericho Manalo, and the crime that I'm more curious about is that one thing, cyberbullying. And what is cyberbullying? Well, although cyberbullying is a multimedia crime which involves of an individual that being bullied online, like posting their image as a meme or being argued in a chat which makes them feel depressed or anxiety of suspects' words. And this is a serious crime because many people are getting bullied online, like posting their memes, getting viral as a meme, and which it can make them depressed at home or being isolated. And for me, to prevent this cyberbullying crime is that we should take action of someone who is trying to bully us online, because this crime can be take action, and this will help prevent people other people from getting bullied online. And it is also the best thing to stay away from strangers from online, especially that we don't know them, because this can make this is the most thing that people are getting bullied. And as for me, to handle their anxiety of getting bullied online is that they should take care and learn how cyberbullying online works, so they can prevent those people who are likely cyberbullying them and help them to stay positive online and not give digital footprints of someone who's trying to cyberbullying them and leaving them stressed or isolated at home because their picture was posted as a meme or being argued. That's all. Thank you.